Hi folks, it's Dena Hamilton here from Leather Care Specialist and Great Leather. I thought I'd try to answer a couple questions for you today. The one uppermost in your mind might be, when can I get a haircut? That's me. I don't know. I wish I did. But I can tell you just about anything you need to know about your leather jacket and how the procedure works if you want to send it to me, and so that I can take care of that for you. What we do here is restoration, repairs, alteration. We can re-dye it to a light new condition, or if you like what they call a considerate restoration, so that it doesn't look brand new, but it doesn't look neglected, and it's not in a condition that it's going to deteriorate to the point that you really can't enjoy it anymore. My shop here is in central Illinois, so more than likely you're going to want to ship it to me. But people ship to me from all over the country, internationally. I've had jackets from Singapore, Azerbaijan, Holland, Brazil, Russia. So California and New York ought to be easy. You just go to www.greatleather.com. There's a tab that says repair and restore, and then when you get to that page, it says ship, and that should answer any other questions you might have about the shipping process and how the whole thing works. And there's a form there. You fill that out, put it in your put it in the box with your jacket, and when I have it on the table in front of me, we'll go over it together before I do anything to it. It's easy. So if you send it now, you'll have a pretty quick turnaround time. If you wait until fall, it's going to be 6 to 8 weeks. Right now it's just me. I'm following the CDC guidelines, so I have a clean environment, and like I said, it'd be quick turnaround time, get my personal attention. So keep this small business going, and then in the fall, when your jacket's all ready, you'll feel great about being proactive. Who, where, what, when, how. How do I do it? Well, I've been at it a long time, and so you can feel pretty confident that I know what I'm doing. I had my very first art project in 1971, and I've been doing it ever since. You can read about it if you're interested on my About Me page and on Great Leather. But I have an acquired skill set, and I have a lot of knowledge about different leathers and how they're going to react to different procedures. And I apply everything I know, and I give everything my all. I treat your jacket like it were my own, and I want you to be happy with your outcome. So leather is what I know. Being a great video personality, not so much. But I've determined that I can learn anything, so I'm going to try, and that includes how to get that subscribe button on there, so when I do, you can subscribe. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please contact me. Bye-bye.